Meall the broch and Meall the broch and Meall the broch and do a nail. Do a broch and Meall the broch and do a nail.
Mám aga bhúla sé seanna caisio agus ha mi lé hálaití i seo cóir se chlas I gceisach agus sé bhá bocaí a hamlaí a ní beala ar a bhrín íte a seo a drí an sa Gaelic fatal má.
I enjoy it because you can learn text language online. You can learn specific words online, but in regards to having an actual conversation, you can't really do that online. It's much better to do that in person. So yeah.
And you obtain a lot more at a faster pace, and you're kind of forced to just let go of your inhibitions essentially. So it's been really, really valuable.
As na Bùirne, se mé se teagas go dú. Ha mí fir tálachte go bhfuil sin atáise na sin lán bágaí agus an daon sa chu bágaí. Ha tripla a bhí an Astràilia a bhcionáta go bhfuil na luchion sa chuig go má fillinte scríbh a chaneala cháma I bríon. Agus nuair dhéansaigh mí dhéana an daon sa chuig seo an daon sa chu bágaí ann in Canada ba més maine chu gá, bhíodh sin gléibh aon sa seo.
Yeah, everyone's fairly easygoing, and we have a lot of beginners in the continued class, so everyone's sort of relaxed, they're allowed to make mistakes, and people aren't going to be...
Bhutal. Yeah, right. Bhutal and yogurt.
It's been a lot of fun, meeting new people, tea, learning about tech.
Sila social the how, can't believe Ronnie's, I guess challenge, the son of Latha
I've definitely enjoyed this amazing day so far, and looking forward to the next one.
Definitely recommend it.
Agus ha nochas go fiach séifse I híon uirigin a bhí cóðar in seo.